and welcome back to the Easy Cooking channel. I'm Allegra and today we'll be making limeade. Let's get started. To make limeade you will need 1 or 2 lemons, a spoon to mix with, a knife to cut with, some kind of cup and a lime to make the limeade. First step is to get a lemon and cut it in half. More easier to squeeze the lemons with an orange squeezer. On that side, you can do it on the other. Now, once you do it both sides, you can get the cup and pour it in. There. And if you haven't finished doing the lemons because the thing is overfull, then just empty it and do the rest of it. Yep. Okay. And once that's all done, you can pour the rest in. Done. Now, remove these 2 lemons aside and get the next lemon. If you have 2. If you only have 1, that's fine. Your cup should be literally like halfway full. And then once that's done, you can move on to the lime. Now, if you have 2 limes, that's great. But I only have 1, so yeah. Now you cut this lime. Good. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to learn more about cooking. Anyways, bye.